Look at my birds. Look at my birds. They're all gonna come back to me. I started with literally 2 birds, and now I have like 75. Come on, show them what we do. Show them what we do, baby. I am the bird man. Come on. I started with 2 birds. I got about 50, 60, 70 some days. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come to daddy, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't ask me, ask God. I'm just an obedient servant. Have an absolutely amazing day. We started with 2 birds, baby, and now we got about 65, 70 on any given day. This is the proof that you get what you give, and what you reflect out is what you get back. Um, how do I trick 70 birds into thinking I'm a good person or not a hunter? You can't fake that, you know? It's an energy thing, it's a vibration thing. Language was designed to hide our feelings. Animals don't speak, you know, they vibrate and make different sounds, but it's not a language, it's a vibration. Have an absolutely amazing day. Just something to think about. Yeah, yeah. Peace.